This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara Levine. Elegant, bright and open floor plan. Shows like a model home. The inviting exterior continues as you enter under the arched palladium entrance into the home. You'll immediately appreciate the decor and floor plan that allows for easy entertaining and family life. Sellers invested another $24,000 in upgrades when they built it. The pergola with brick floor enhances outdoor living. The gas grill attached to gas line conveys, as do the porch tables and chairs. The formal dining room features a tray ceiling. The primary bedroom has hardwood floors, a large walk-in closet and beautiful bathroom suite. The laundry room has extra cabinets, counter space and utility sink. Second floor bedroom/bonus room has 3 separate walk-in attic areas. The second refrigerator in the laundry room conveys. Stonehouse is located 5 minutes to I-64. It's a beautiful community with wonderful amenities including a 32-acre lake with dock. The Clubhouse boasts a gym and large gathering space for all the activities and social events. The golf course also has a wonderful restaurant. Don't wait to see this marvelous home. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Levine at 757-810-8624.